The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not limit the number of meter sockets that can be fed from a single service. However, a key requirement is that each meter socket must be protected by an overcurrent device, such as a circuit breaker or a fuse, and this device must be rated no more than the ampacity of the conductor that is supplying the meter socket. Let's break down what this means in practical terms. Imagine an apartment complex that has a 400 amp service. This service is then split into two service risers. Each of these risers uses 2/0 conductors to feed two 6-gang meter bases. This setup results in a total of 12 meters. Now, concerning the number of service disconnects, it's essential to understand the rules governing overcurrent protection. The size of the conductors feeding the meter bases is crucial. In this scenario, 2/0 conductors are used. Conductors of this size have an ampacity of 195 amps according to standard electrical tables. This means each meter socket should be protected by an overcurrent device, like a circuit breaker or fuse, that is rated for a maximum of 195 amps. Each meter base is serving a single apartment unit, which means each meter base is rated for the load of that individual unit. An important reference in the NEC is section 230.90. This section states that each service disconnecting means must be rated no less than the load it serves. Since each meter base serves a single apartment, its rating needs to match the load of that specific unit. To summarize, the number of meters is not restricted by the code, but the protection of each meter socket is. Each socket must have an overcurrent device that is rated appropriately for the conductor size feeding it.